Hello and welcome. My name is Kevin Kaufman and this is Fred Weaver. We're Group 4610. Thank you so much for joining us today here on our website and watching this video. We wanted to share with you some information about short sales, and specifically one of the hottest topics that we get asked about day in and day out is, what is this Mortgage Debt Relief Forgiveness Act? What is this thing about? Is that going to really help me with my taxes?
Yeah, let's cover the Mortgage Debt Relief Forgiveness Act, because homeowners out there are very concerned with the fact that they're losing their home either through short sale or foreclosure.
Right.
But then on top of that, the double whammy is that they could be liable for the taxes on that loss. Well, our government came in 2007, President Bush and his staff, and passed the Mortgage Debt Relief Forgiveness Act. And it essentially says, if this is your primary residence, if it's under a certain acreage on the land, and if you meet a couple other criteria, then you don't have to pay taxes when you go to pay your taxes that year.
Yeah,
you don't have to pay taxes on the loss, meaning that if you borrow $200,000 and your home sells for $150,000, you don't have to pay taxes on that $50,000 loss, because when that loss is forgiven and the bank forgives that, guess what happens? You as the homeowner get this little nifty form called a 1099, because they write it off as a loss on their books, and therefore it shows up as income to you.
So here's the great thing. That happened in 2007. Here's the other news that you need to know right now. It expires at the end of 2012. President Obama, when he was first elected, extended it, but it expires at the end of 2012. So depending on when you're watching this video, you may have less than a year to go, or you may have a year and a half. And I'll tell you, on average, short sales take at least 6 months. Sometimes they take longer. We've certainly seen some cases that go over a year. That's obviously not that's not the rule, that's the exception, but on average it's 6 months. So I would encourage you, if you're considering a short sale, to act quickly before the Mortgage Debt Relief Forgiveness Act of 2007 expires.
Yep. Thanks so much for watching our video today. Take action today. Fill out the form on the website. Allow us the opportunity to answer more questions that you may have, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.